Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're at this property in Calistoga and we're going to do a floor plan as well as a site plan for the agent. Beautiful property. So first step we're going to do is open our Home3DS Scan Home app. And then we're going to name the job. And I usually put the address in, so I will do that. Now there's this main house, which is 2 floors, and then there's a outbuilding barn, and I want to capture that too. So we're going to call this main house first floor. And it's asking us to turn our phone sideways. I've went through the house and turned on all the lights and opened, I think, all the closet doors. I typically will start by the front door. So let's begin. We'll hit the start button. And you can see it capturing data. Stairwell, which we'll capture later. This is a pantry here with upper and lower cabinets. I like to scan to show that there's upper cabinets. We're going to turn. Here's the kitchen again, showing that there's shelves here. That way, okay. Now you don't normally have to fill in the whole floor area. Just kind of do that for my own satisfaction. You want to keep the camera tilted at a little bit of a down angle to show the intersection between the wall and the floor. I like to get right under there. It's a laundry room. There's this walkway here. A little catwalk, I guess. There's a window there. Laundry. swung closed when I opened it earlier. There's a window there. All right, so that's the first floor, I believe. It's interesting, there's no closet in here. All right, so that's the first floor. Now we're gonna go upstairs and do the second floor. So I'll hit back. We're gonna add main home floor 2. I'm gonna relabel that. So I'm gonna start on this landing here. Window there. Okay. So that was main home floor. Main home floor, let's see here. Sorry, I went back a little bit. Orders, do back. Okay. So main house, first floor. Main house. Second floor. Okay. Then we're gonna do the barn. Beautiful day out. All right. Just move that toilet seat. It looks like it's a little broken. There's no way we're getting in there. Okay. Now we have really bad internet here, I believe, but try to go through this as easy as possible. We're gonna hit next, and it detected 3 floors. Aside from the black and white floor plan, which is 15 in order, we're gonna add the color floor plan, and they give you several different options. And then we're gonna add a site plan, and they give you a bunch of different options. We're gonna do feet, 6-inch wall thickness, hit next. And we're uploading. So while that's happening, turn off the lights. The last step after uploading is to pay for it. And so I will do that. And I think what I'll do is I'll put a Google Drive link with the floor plans in the description so you guys can check it out. If you have any questions, comment them below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you find it useful, feel free to share it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, that's all we got. Thanks for watching.